Hello, this is Missey Grace. This is Wednesday again, and today I'd like to just follow on from what we have talked about last week. That is the reason why and the purpose of you adopting the vegetarian lifestyle. So far I've heard the main reasons. First one is people wanted to focus on the environmental impact, mostly the climate change, and they also don't believe in animal cruelty. The third reason, mainly because they want to improve the health condition. And the fourth, not the least, is their children and their family. When they wanted to eat healthy, they want to try the vegetarian, they want to get onto the vegetarian journey. So this is where you and I are showing our love and care by exploring more vegetarian cooking at home. So that's the reason why. And how are we going to do that? I suggest you focus on what you already have in your pantry at home and in your kitchen. From then on, you will be able to explore more new, fresh ingredients that you can substitute to the non-vegetarian and create something really nice and delicious, tasty food. So that's been taken care of. Now we're going to look at how we're going to do it and who you're going to go to if you need support. Sometimes when you go online to look at the recipes or find some new ideas and concepts, you might get confused. So what you can do is actually let me know, comment below, email me at misseygrace@gmail.com to tell me what you need to know further, and I will be able to share my experience and also the mistakes that I have made in the past, so you don't have to do that. So the other thing is, you don't really have to feel you're alone in this journey, because there are so many people. For example, in Australia, there are over 11% of the population is adopting the vegetarian or vegan lifestyle. And in the UK, there are 7%. And in America, there's 8% of the population that's actually doing the vegetarian diet and the lifestyle and enjoying it. Even in the European countries such as Italy, France, Germany, Sweden, Switzerland, and in the Middle East, in Israel, most people are actually getting more and more interested in the vegetarian food. Until next time, be well, be happy.